As we recently repainted our decking, we wanted a large outdoor rug and we went for this Treeboy large waterproof area rug. It came in this bag, and the bag I really like because it's reusable, so we're definitely going to be using this. And it also came with 4 packs. We didn't actually need the packs because we put it on our composite decking, but you can use this on a beach or a backyard. The size of this mat is 180 by 270 centimeter, so it's quite a large one, and I really like it that the corners are reinforced, as you can see, and also it's got a little loopy bit that you can kind of put the pegs down. I said if you use it, if you've got grass, you want to put it on grass, you will be able to do so. It is really, really surprising how good the quality of this rug is. It's quite thick and it's really comfortable when we are sitting out on the decking to have our bare foot on this. It doesn't feel scratchy at all. It's made out of plastic straw, but it doesn't feel plasticky. As you can see, again, they put the extra material around the corners, and the stitching is really, really good, as you can see it, and we've been using it for a while, so I think it makes a massive difference to what our decking looks like. We can just chill out, and we know we can just kick the shoes off and just relax. So if you're looking for a good quality waterproof area rug that you can just have on your decking or in your garden, you may want to give this a go. We cannot recommend this enough. It's great quality and it looks beautiful.